All right, y'all. She had a lot of damage from her hair from the pool, so she had to get a lot cut off. All right, YouTube, so I'm back. It's 11:45. So my conditioner's been sitting in my hair about 20 minutes. I didn't do 30 minutes. I'm getting exhausted. My water is heating up. I cleaned up Ashton's room. And I just want to wash this conditioner out and clean my sink and go to bed because I'm letting my hair air dry. So yeah, here we go. And I also just kind of check just to see my angles. I'm kind of trying the camera at a different angle. I'm still learning this camera. I love this camera, but it's so hard to really tell. Like if I don't have anyone looking over, like, oh yeah, that's a perfect angle. Like no one's right up to tell me so. And I'm filming late. I just took my shower cap off. Got this water a little too hot. Nope. I always test at the front part of my hand. Just a little bit. And then, I also have this steamer. I was going to put this up. I was just like, nope, I'm rinsing this out with my conditioner in and give myself the full treatment like I do these heads. Before the wash. All right, y'all. She had a lot of damage from her hair from the pool, so she had to get a lot cut off. My bad. She had to get a lot cut off. But it's gonna grow, y'all. It's so soft. Girl, get them edges done. Look at me. Turn around. She picture day ready. All right, look at me smile. Back at that. You gonna do like a little dance or something? Do like a little.